Alright everyone, this is Mr. Mullis back again in the Mercer Machine Shop, and we're still working on our metal cutting lathe, our LeBlanc. And today we're going to work on the speeds and feeds, okay, that are set on the headstock right here. Alright, now the first thing I want to show you, this is a servo shift machine. So to set the speed that the chuck is going to rotate at, we use this dial right here. Alright, now whenever you turn the dial, your on-off selector has to be in the white or the unlock position of the dial. Okay. The last video we covered a little bit of the on-off dial. It has red, white, and on. Okay. This is in the white section or the unlock section. Then you can rotate your dial, okay? You rotate your dial to the speed that you want, okay? And then you take the on-off dial and switch it into the red section. Okay, once the machine oscillates, once the 3-jaw chuck oscillates one time, then the speed has been selected. Then you can cut your machine on, and you have it done. Okay, so whenever you change speeds, go to the white section of your dial, rotate your selector, go back to the red, you get that oscillation, and it's ready to go. Okay. All right, that's how you select speeds on the lathe. Now right here, I have a little sheet set up, a little cheat sheet set up for speeds and feeds for a lot of your operations you're going to be doing. For instance, today we'll be looking at turning. So I have turning right here, and I have aluminum, which is the material we'll be in today. It says speed 494. Okay, so let's set our speed. We'll go to the white. We select 494 onto the little dial right here. Go to the red. We have it oscillating, so we know we're in 494. Okay. All right. It also says F, 6, and B under feed. Okay. And how you set them are your F knob or lever is right here. It goes in E. And it goes in F. Okay. We want F. There's only 2 places it can go. Your 6 or the number is set by the lever right here. There's little numbers on top of the scale right here, and you can take this lever, pull it out, and move it along, and then set it in what you need to set it in, okay? All right, now, I can't quite get that into that hole. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to get neutral on our dial. That's the little N, okay? Okay. We go to our red, so we know we have neutral now. We're going to rotate the chuck a little bit by hand, and then this lever is going to come up and go into place. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. Get in on your dial. You can rotate your chuck by hand, and then move your lever to wherever you need. Now this applies to the F lever or this particular lever, the rate selector, or the ABC knob down at the bottom. Okay? So we got that. We're in 6, we're in F, we're in 6, and now the ABC knob is at the very bottom. It has 3 positions. Okay? This particular application we want B. So that's in the middle. This knob goes in the middle as such. Now, you'll see the 3 positions of the knob. A is all the way to the left, B is in the middle or straight up and down, and C is all the way to the right. Okay, so that's the 3 positions of your ABC knob. So we have our machine set. We have F, we have 6 with our rate selection lever here, and we have B in the middle. Okay, now I have to go back and set my speed again, which was 494. Back to the red. Okay, now we have it set up, the machine set up for our facing, turning operation. Okay, now each operation's on here: facing, turning, okay, knurling, all the stuff you'll be doing. You set the speeds and feeds right here, like I said. Now, the top lever, I didn't go over it. So the top lever is a feed reverse lever. So while you're operating your machine, when you engage a feed lever, the feed may or may not be going the direction that you want it to go. If it's not going the direction you want it to go, you use this lever, the top lever, to make it go the other way. There's only two directions it can go, okay? So it either is that way or it's that way. That's going to help you get the right feed direction as you're engaging your facing or turning, okay? So, one more time. Speed selection lever, got to be in the white on your on-off dial, okay? The top lever, feed reverse. The next lever is your EF, okay? Next lever down is your feed rate selector, okay? And that's the numbers on top of the little scale here. And then your ABC knob down at the bottom, okay? Your sheet will let you know where to put it. You pick out your operation and your material, and then you set this up, and you're ready to go do the operation. Okay, see you in class.